Yo, tell me why the speaker's actually nice though. Man, I was a hater. This is the coolest thing I've reviewed in a while. Oh, too early. Mining Disrupt is back.
I'm back.
Again this year, November 11th to 13th, the world's biggest Bitcoin mining expo. And this time, it's in Texas, just minutes from the Dallas-Fort Worth airport. Check it out with the link out in the video description below. Maybe you wanted a Dogecoin miner. Maybe you wanted a wireless speaker. Oh. No, not that one, you fool. This one. Is this genuine leather? Yeah, I'm loving the old time aesthetic of this thing. This is the Fluminer L2. And I really wanted to hate it, but it's got like that almost like that like rubberized type coating on it. And then like typical cheap speaker here, blasted in retro gold. Little Fluminer plaque. This is a 1.2 gigahash Dogecoin Litecoin script ASIC mining rig that has more than one function. Built-in power supply, on-off button, Ethernet port, also supports Wi-Fi mining. This has good efficiency, a freaking carrying handle. Who knew the features that we always wanted that we never had? I need to look up the USB function here. Can I just plug in my own music? Is it just a charger? Obviously it's Chinesium, but it's nice Chinesium, and let's not forget that basically China makes everything.
It's my absolute pleasure to have you come to Chongqing.
My initial impression, this thing's looking pretty sweet. Let's plug it in. All right, heading over to my plug it in bay. Speaking of mini Doge miners, I got a few over here. All right, fancy Ethernet cable. This is Cat 8, baby. Yeah, it was a flex. It was a flex. Obviously Cat 6 and really probably any cable you can find, a Cat 5e, is gonna be just good enough to get it done for you in the mining game. Check out this cool adapter. Right, so when I built my garage, I completely messed up and I didn't put a 120 voltage outlet over here. I only put a 240 volt outlet in the corner, and kind of feels like a stupid oversight. That adapter lets me use NEMA 5 plugs quick and easy. Obviously I've got other plugs I could use too, but all right, swing it around.
Power on, Bluetooth mode.
Okay, you gotta go to no copyright sounds, not catch a charge with YouTube's bullshit, but you can put any piece of any song basically on TikTok. That's always been so ridiculous. Now we're bumping that. Open up my, I'm gonna guess that it's
Connected.
the FL88. Yeah, that's kind of punchy though. The outlet implies you could plug it into any outlet in your house, 120 voltage, a speaker like that, that would only make sense. That would only be good. However, we can see that I'm clearly using it on 240 voltage. So it works on 100 to 240 voltage. Good news. How about another song? So this is max bass, max treble, and it's maxed out volume on the unit. But look at my phone. I have so much more Bluetooth audio. Alexa's gonna be pissed at me. This is max volume and the beat's dropping. I've been so distracted with the speaker. I forgot to set up the mining. I guess that's a good sign. Got a fatty beef stick and one of those Killer Dave, like 10 gram protein grain bar things. I'm proteined up. All right, I see a new device on here, Rock Chip. That's gonna be what this is. So I went into my router. You can see all my devices. I see a new one. I'm on no volume and this thing is, you can't stop the madness. Login was root. Okay, so you can do this on a computer or laptop, makes it easier, nicer, all that stuff. So put in any mining pool information you want, and I click save and initiate a miner reboot. But what's interesting is the speaker is functioning as a separate unit here, right? So the miner just did a complete reboot cycle. However, the speaker has run the entire time. So that's making me think that I don't know anything. I feel like I can hear the miner. So miner's rebooted, right? So I get this updated information and it's accessible. You know, we see voltage is coming through. So this is firing up. So checking the specs, right? fluminer LT 1.2 gigahash a second, 280 watts here. And then current batch for coupon codes and stuff like that. And ASL always tries to hook up our viewers and give a better deal, right? $519. Okay, so $519. Starting to be a little more critical, right? We got a $500 speaker. That thing better be nice. So these are the stats on mining now. So at 8 cents per kilowatt hour, which is my electricity rate because my electric utility is freaking rugging me. I mine $1 a day worth of Dogecoin. It cost me 44 cents. So basically I projected to earn $211 over the next year. Coin prices are down in recent history. ASL actually has the best price out of all the sellers listed. And then we're gonna have a code to get that down even further, just, you know, for whatever that's worth. Basically best deal in the game if you do happen to want one of these. I don't, you know, looking at their picture now, a very, very obviously a render. The render looks a little nicer than what you actually get, but I still like it. I'm not trying to hate on it. And looking at the efficiency, that's close enough to current generation efficiency. Current gen is basically like considered 0.2. And I mean like current gen, like latest generation, like the L9s and so forth. You know, full-size Dogecoin script, Litecoin ASIC miners there. This is a pretty unique thing. Like if you happen to want a speaker or you would find use from that, you know, this is very much like a good garage miner, right? I mean, throw it in the garage, let it sit there and mine, or like maybe your gym or something where like that amount of heat is not really that noticeable unless you're in like a small office or something. You know, I thought this product was so stupid when I saw it, and I was kind of a hater. And then having actually experienced it hands-on, maybe I need to take a deep breath and a step back and appreciate, you know, the novelty of some units. You look at this thing and it's really cool. Like it's fun. It's a fun product that earns more than it burns. And I mean, I love music. I'm an audiophile. And it's like roughly the price of some of the other like mini Dogecoin home miners of like a similar size and performance, while this one's being more efficient. And again, you know, roughly half the price, but it's also got roughly half the power. So you look at a mining profitability calculator, you see something like the Volk miners, the AlphaPex miners, they may seem more interesting, but they're going to cost more and they're actually less efficient in comparison. You know, it just really depends what you want and what you're going for, what you're looking for. This is also like a really cool gift if you're looking for, you know, a fancy, expensive gift, you know, for a crypto guy, or if you're a crypto guy for maybe like your brother or dad or son or, you know, whoever. You know, it doesn't have to be a guy. Everyone's always offended by the most random things. I don't know, man. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. Sorry, everything's a mess. You know, in a lot of ways, my life's a mess right now, but I just had a son, so that's all right. Here, I have a gripe for this product. You're obviously going to want your speaker facing forward, but the heat's coming out of the backside. So you want to tuck this up against the wall or something? Not the best scenario. The airflow should have absolutely been flipped here, but I think they're struggling with muddying the audio, having that coming out the same direction as the exhaust. For me, I'm a serious miner. I would never buy this product, but I do think it checks a lot of boxes and very uniquely to the point that, you know, this is definitely applicable to some people, and especially if you want something cool to have some fun, throw on your desk, or be like, check out my speaker. You know what's earning me passive income. Congratulations, you freaking weirdo. Why do you have to mine with everything? Why wouldn't you mine with everything? That's what I ask. Whoop, whoop. I'm Vosk on the VoskCoin YouTube channel. Appreciate the opportunity to do this stuff. We're trying to make the best content we can all the time. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the VoskCoin YouTube channel. And as always, let's close this out in absolute style. And for a Dogecoin mining video, you thought we weren't gonna bring out the venerable, the super cutie, the tails, 10 seconds of tails on every video. I appreciate you. Good luck. And hope you find some good jams in your life. Wow. The sun's bright. I'm walking into the light. Oh, too early. Goodbye.